Ever wondered how much more you could achieve if you could just tap into that extra bit of brain power lying dormant within you? Well, that's where the concept of biohacking comes in. Biohacking, in simple terms, is the practice of making small, incremental diet or lifestyle changes to make your body and brain work better. It's all about optimizing your life and body functions for peak performance. Imagine being able to focus better, think faster, and have energy to spare. The potential impact on your productivity could be revolutionary. It's like upgrading your internal hardware and software to a more efficient version. But remember, it's not just about being a workhorse. It's about enhancing your overall well-being too, so you can enjoy the fruits of your increased productivity. So, are you ready to step up your game? Let's delve into this intriguing world of biohacking and explore how it can help us unlock our full potential. Biohacking is essentially about making your body and brain work better. But how does this work scientifically? Let's dive into the physiological and psychological aspects of productivity. Our bodies are intricate systems, and every component plays a part in how well we function. Everything from the food we eat to the amount of sleep we get can influence our productivity levels. First, consider your brain, the control center of your body. It's responsible for every thought, action, memory, feeling, and experience of the world. Biohacking for productivity aims to optimize the brain's performance, allowing us to think faster, remember more, and stay focused longer. But how does this happen? One key player is nutrition. Our brains, like the rest of our bodies, need proper fuel to function at their best. Consuming the right nutrients can enhance cognitive function, improve focus, and boost energy levels. It's not just about eating healthy, but about understanding what your body and brain need to thrive. Next, consider sleep. It's not just about the quantity of sleep, but also the quality. Our bodies use sleep to restore and repair different functions, and our brains use it to consolidate memories and process information from the day. By optimizing our sleep, we can wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day's tasks. Stress management is another critical factor. When we're stressed, our bodies go into a fight or flight mode, which isn't conducive to clear thinking or problem solving. Learning how to effectively manage stress can help keep our minds clear and focused, enhancing productivity. All of these factors, nutrition, sleep, and stress, are interconnected. Improving one can positively impact the others. For instance, eating a balanced diet can improve sleep quality, which can reduce stress levels, which in turn can boost cognitive function. It's a virtuous cycle. Now, let's talk about the power of small, intentional changes. It's easy to dismiss the idea that something as simple as drinking more water or taking a short walk can impact productivity. But science shows us that these small actions can lead to significant productivity gains. For example, staying hydrated can improve concentration and cognition. Physical activity, even a short walk, can boost mood and creativity. And taking regular breaks can actually improve focus and productivity in the long run. The beauty of biohacking is that it's customizable. Everyone is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's about experimenting, adjusting, and finding what works best for you. By understanding how our bodies and minds work, we can start making small changes that have big impacts. Biohacking is about more than just productivity. It's about optimizing our overall health and well-being. And when we're feeling our best, we can perform our best. One of the key aspects of biohacking is nutrition. But what does this mean in terms of brain function and productivity? Just as a car needs the right type and amount of fuel to run efficiently, our brains require specific nutrients to function optimally. These nutrients not only fuel our brains, they also protect them, help construct new brain cells, and facilitate communication between these cells. Let's start with some essential nutrients. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in foods like fatty fish, walnuts, and chia seeds, are critical for brain health. They help build and repair brain cells, and studies have shown that they can boost cognitive function. Next, we have antioxidants. These are substances that can prevent or slow damage to cells caused by free radicals. Berries, dark chocolate, and spices like turmeric are rich in antioxidants, and they can help protect our brains from damage and improve memory and cognition. Also vital are B vitamins, particularly B6, B9, and B12. These nutrients can delay brain aging and enhance brain function. You can find them in foods like leafy greens, eggs, and lean meats. We also can't forget about hydration. Water makes up about 75% of the brain and is crucial for delivering nutrients to the brain and removing toxins. Dehydration, even mild, can impair attention, memory, and critical thinking. So, keep that water bottle handy. Another critical nutrient for the brain is iron. Iron deficiency can lead to impaired cognitive function. Foods rich in iron include lean meats, beans, and fortified cereals. And let's not forget about the benefits of a balanced diet. Consuming a variety of foods ensures that your brain gets an array of nutrients it needs to function at its best. This includes a mix of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Now, knowing about these nutrients is one thing, but how do we incorporate them into our daily meals? Here are some practical tips. Start your day with a breakfast that includes protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats. Think eggs with whole grain toast and avocado. For lunch and dinner, aim for a balance of lean protein, whole grains, and colorful vegetables. And for snacks, go for nuts, seeds, or a piece of fruit. If you're a coffee drinker, consider adding a sprinkle of cinnamon or turmeric to your morning cup. These spices are rich in antioxidants that can boost brain health. And instead of reaching for a sugary snack mid-afternoon, try a handful of blueberries or dark chocolate. And remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also when you eat. Regular meal times help regulate your body's clock, which can aid in better sleep, improved mood, and enhanced cognitive function. With the right fuel, our brains can function at their best, leading to increased productivity. Sleep is not just about resting, it's about rejuvenation and revitalization. So how can we optimize our sleep for better productivity? Imagine being able to start each day with a full tank of mental energy, ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way. That's the power of quality sleep. It's not just about the quantity, the hours spent unconscious, but about the quality, the depth, and restorative power of your slumber. Quality sleep is the unsung hero of cognitive performance. It's during sleep that your brain processes and consolidates memories, clears out toxins, and replenishes neurotransmitters. It's like a nightly tune-up for your mind, ensuring you're operating at peak efficiency. So how can we biohack our way to better sleep, and thus, better productivity? First, consider creating a bedtime routine. This might sound juvenile, but routines signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Your routine could include reading, meditating, or simply reflecting on your day. The key is to find something that relaxes you and stick to it. Second, minimize screen time before sleep. The blue light emitted by screens can suppress the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Try to switch off all screens at least an hour before bedtime. If you absolutely need to use a device, consider using a blue light filter or wearing blue light blocking glasses. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a power nap. A quick nap of 20 to 30 minutes during the day can provide a significant boost in alertness and cognitive performance. But be careful not to nap too close to bedtime, as it may interfere with your nighttime sleep. By optimizing our sleep, we can wake up refreshed and ready to tackle the day's tasks with renewed energy and focus. So don't neglect your sleep. Give it the attention it deserves, and it will reward you with increased productivity and a clearer, sharper mind. Stress can be a productivity killer, but can we biohack our way to better stress management? The impact of stress on productivity and overall well-being is profound. When we're stressed, our bodies go into a fight or flight mode, releasing a flurry of hormones that can cloud our thinking and impede our ability to focus. Over time, chronic stress can lead to burnout and a host of health problems, from heart disease to depression. But here's the good news. We can biohack our stress response. How? By adopting practices that help us manage stress and keep our nervous system balanced. One of these practices is mindfulness. By being present and fully engaged in the moment, we can interrupt the cycle of stress and give our minds a much-needed break. You don't need to meditate for hours to reap the benefits. Just a few minutes a day can make a difference. Deep breathing exercises can also be a game changer. They help to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for calming the body and mind. Try this. Take a deep breath, hold it for a few seconds, then exhale slowly. Repeat this process for a few minutes, focusing on the sensation of your breath. Physical activity is another powerful stress buster. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a high-intensity workout, exercise releases endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, get moving. Lastly, make sure you're taking time to relax and unwind. This could be anything from reading a book to listening to your favorite music. The key is to find something that takes your mind off work and gives you joy. And let's not forget about the connection between reduced stress levels and increased cognitive function. When we're less stressed, we're more focused, creative, and productive. We're also better at problem solving and decision making. So by effectively managing stress, we can maintain our productivity levels and improve our overall well-being. Remember, stress isn't something to be eliminated completely. It's a natural part of life. But with the right techniques, we can make it work for us, not against us. In our digital age, technology can be a double-edged sword. But can it be harnessed to enhance our productivity? Indeed, technology plays a crucial role in biohacking productivity. It's not just about the latest gadgets or apps, but how we can strategically use technology to optimize our performance. Think of it as a tool, a sidekick in your journey towards peak productivity. Now let's dive into the world of applications, tools, and gadgets designed to enhance focus, time management, and task organization. There's a plethora of options out there, from apps that help block distracting websites to wearable devices that track your sleep and stress levels. For instance, digital to-do lists can help organize tasks, while meditation apps can guide you towards mindfulness and relaxation. These tools are not magical productivity boosters, but they can assist in creating an environment conducive to focus and efficiency. However, with the multitude of tech tools available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. It's like standing in a candy store with too many choices. The key is to be selective and intentional. Start by identifying your productivity pain points. Are you frequently distracted? Do you struggle with time management? Once identified, seek out tools that address these specific areas. Remember, the goal is not to use as many tools as possible, but to find the ones that genuinely enhance your productivity. It's a process of trial and error. What works wonders for one person might not have the same impact for another. So experiment, adjust, and refine until you find your perfect tech toolkit. There's also the important aspect of balance. While technology can be a great aid, it's essential to remember that it's just that, an aid. It's not a substitute for fundamental practices like good nutrition, quality sleep, and effective stress management. With the right tools and strategies, technology can be a powerful ally in our quest for enhanced productivity. So, embrace the digital age, but remember to use technology wisely and purposefully as you continue your biohacking journey. Biohacking is more than just a buzzword. It's a lifestyle choice aimed at optimizing our productivity and potential. Today, we've delved into the world of biohacking, exploring how it intersects with the realms of nutrition, sleep, stress management, and technology. We've discovered the power of brain-boosting foods, the importance of quality sleep, the role of mindfulness in managing stress, and how technology can enhance our focus and organization. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in maximizing our productivity. But remember, biohacking is not a one-size-fits-all strategy. It's a highly personalized journey of discovery and experimentation. Some may find benefits from power naps, while others might thrive on mindfulness practices. The key is to explore, experiment, and find what works best for you. Remember, biohacking is a journey, not a destination. Start small, be consistent, and watch your productivity soar. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of biohacking. We've covered a lot of ground today, and we hope you found the information valuable. This exploration of biohacking for productivity has been a fascinating journey, one that has taken us deep into the science of the human body and mind, and how we can optimize both for peak performance. We've delved into the physiological and psychological aspects of productivity, and how factors like nutrition, sleep, and stress management can influence our cognitive function. We've learned that even small, intentional changes in our daily routines can lead to significant gains in productivity. We've explored the power of nutrition for cognitive enhancement, discussing specific nutrients and foods that support brain health and cognitive function. We've highlighted the importance of a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and the role of omega-3 fatty acids in brain health. And we've offered practical tips on how to incorporate these brain-boosting foods into your daily meals. We've emphasized the importance of quality sleep for cognitive performance and shared biohacks for improving sleep hygiene. We've discussed strategies like creating a bedtime routine and minimizing screen time before sleep, and even touched on the potential benefits of power naps for a quick productivity boost. We've also explored the impact of stress on productivity and overall well-being, and introduced mindfulness practices, deep breathing exercises, and other stress reduction techniques. We've highlighted the connection between reduced stress levels and increased cognitive function, and how managing stress effectively can unlock a higher level of productivity. And finally, we've discussed the role of technology in biohacking productivity. We've explored various apps, tools, and gadgets designed to enhance focus, time management, and task organization. We've provided recommendations on how to integrate these technologies into your daily routines without becoming overwhelmed, and how they can be powerful allies in your biohacking journey. As we've seen, biohacking is a deeply personal journey. It requires self-experimentation, curiosity, and a willingness to step outside of your comfort zone. It's about finding what works best for you and making those small, incremental changes that can lead to big results. We encourage you to start your own biohacking journey and to share your experiences with us. We'd love to hear about the strategies that have worked for you, the challenges you've faced, and the successes you've achieved. Your insights and experiences can be a valuable resource for others who are embarking on their own biohacking journeys. And if you found this content valuable, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more insights and strategies on productivity, health, and biohacking. We're committed to providing you with the information and tools you need to unlock your full potential. And we'd love to have you join us on this journey. So here's to your health, your productivity, and your journey into the world of biohacking. Stay tuned for more insightful content. And remember, the key to unlocking your full potential is just a biohack away.